Alrighty, here we have a very nice 2012 JCB 3CX backhoe. This machine just arrived to the yard, and this has just over 4,300 original hours. It's a four-wheel drive machine with nice set of tires on it. And this machine actually also has the EXTENDAHOE on the back, and also has a clamshell style bucket, as well as the auxiliary plumbing to run that bucket, as well as a hammer or other hydraulic attachments. It's a 2012, very, very nice original paint. I say nice, good tires, four-wheel drive, nice standard bucket on the front, good solid cutting edge on it. He's going to stand it up for you and run the backhoe. But yeah, as you can see, it's got all the hydraulic plumbing here to run this clamshell bucket, but you can also take that and turn it into using it for a hammer attachment, just by rerouting that hydraulic. There's EXTENDAHOE. Got a little play in that bucket pin. We're probably going to need to change that out with a new one. But other than that, it's a very clean 2012 JCB 3CX with just over 4,300 original hours. EXTENDAHOE enclosed cab with air conditioning and heat, as well as that nice clamshell bucket with that auxiliary hydraulic plumbing on the back. Come check it out. Really nice, clean JCB 3CX backhoe.